everyone, and welcome back to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Hi, Anna. Hi, everyone.
How are you today, Leo?
I'm great, thank you. I just came from the supermarket, actually.
Perfect, because today's topic is shopping at the supermarket.
Oh, that's funny. I didn't even know.
Yes, we'll learn how to talk about food, groceries, and things we buy every week.
Awesome. I always want to know what to say when I go shopping in another country.
Great. Let's start from the beginning. Do you usually go to the supermarket alone or with someone?
Usually with my wife. She loves shopping more than I do.
That's common. Okay, when you arrive at the supermarket, what's the first thing you do?
I take a shopping cart, or maybe just a basket if I don't need many things.
Perfect. So in English, we can say, I need a shopping cart, or I'll take a basket. Can you repeat that?
I need a shopping cart. I'll take a basket.
Excellent. Now let's go inside. What do you usually buy first?
Usually fruits and vegetables.
Great. So let's learn some phrases you can use in that section. You can say, I'm looking for apples. Where are the bananas? How much are the tomatoes?
Oh, that's useful. Can I also say, do you have fresh strawberries?
Exactly. That's a great one. You can also say, I want ripe bananas, not green ones.
I always say that. I hate green bananas.
Me too. Okay, let's practice a mini conversation. I'll be the shop assistant and you'll be the customer, okay?
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Where can I find the apples?
The apples are over there, next to the oranges.
Thank you. And how much are the tomatoes?
They're $2.50 per kilo.
Okay, I'll take 1 kilo, please.
Sure. Anything else?
Yes, do you have fresh strawberries?
Yes, we do. They're on sale today.
Oh, perfect. I'll take some.
Great choice. That was a perfect dialogue, Leo.
Thanks. It felt like I was really shopping in English.
That's the goal. Okay, let's move to the next section. Dairy products. Do you know what dairy products means?
Yes, milk, cheese, butter, yogurt, right?
Exactly. So if you're in that part of the supermarket, you might say, I need a bottle of milk. I'm looking for low-fat yogurt. Do you have unsalted butter?
Oh, that's good. Unsalted butter. That's without salt, right?
Yes, that's right. Unsalted means without salt.
Got it.
Let's do another short role play. Ready?
Ready.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I'm looking for some cheese.
What kind of cheese?
Mozzarella, please.
Sure, we have mozzarella right here. Anything else?
Yes, I need a bottle of milk and some butter.
Salted or unsalted butter?
Unsalted, please.
Here you go.
Thank you. How much is the total?
It's $8.75.
Great, thank you.
Excellent, Leo. You sounded very natural.
Thank you, Anna. It's easier when we practice like this.
Exactly. Speaking and listening are the best ways to remember.
What's next?
Let's go to one of my favorite parts of the supermarket, the snack aisle.
Oh, yes. Chips, cookies, chocolate. I love that part too.
Everyone loves it. Okay, here are some useful phrases for that section. I want a bag of chips. Let's get some cookies. Can I have a chocolate bar?
Nice. Simple and easy to remember.
Exactly. You can also use quantity expressions like a pack of cookies, a box of cereal, a bottle of soda, or a can of soup.
Oh, that's interesting. I never know which one to use. Pack, box, can.
Yes, that's a common question. Let me explain. A pack for things like cookies or gum, a box for cereal, tea, or sometimes chocolates, a bottle for liquids like water, juice, or soda, a can for drinks or food in metal containers like soup or beans.
Oh, okay. That makes sense now.
Let's practice. I'll say an item, and you tell me which word to use, okay?
Okay.
Juice.
A bottle of juice.
Great. Cereal.
A box of cereal.
Perfect. Soup.
A can of soup.
Excellent. Cookies.
A pack of cookies.
100% correct.
Wow. I think I'm ready to go shopping in English now.
Not yet, Leo. That was only the first part of our supermarket adventure.
Oh no. There's more?
Yes. In the next part, we'll talk about asking for help, paying at the checkout, and small talk with cashiers.
That sounds fun.
It will be. But for now, let's review what we learned today. What do you say when you need a shopping cart?
I need a shopping cart.
Good. And if you want bananas that are ready to eat?
I want ripe bananas, not green ones.
Perfect. What do you say when you want to find something?
I'm looking for apples.
Excellent. You're doing great. In this part, we'll learn how to ask for help, find products, and pay at the checkout.
Perfect. Sometimes I don't know how to ask when I can't find something.
Yes, that's very common. Let's practice. Imagine you're in the supermarket and you can't find the rice. What could you say?
Maybe, excuse me, where is the rice?
Excellent. That's simple and polite. You can also say, "Excuse me, could you tell me where the rice is?"
Oh, that sounds even nicer.
Yes, it's a little more formal. Here are a few more useful phrases. "Excuse me, can you help me find the bread?" "Do you know where the eggs are?" "Is the milk in this aisle?"
I like that one. In this aisle. It's useful when you're walking down the supermarket.
Exactly. Aisle means the long row between the shelves.
Oh, I didn't know that. How do you spell it?
It's spelled A-I-S-L-E, but the S is silent. You say ale.
Wow, English is full of surprises.
It really is. Okay, let's do a small role play again. "Excuse me, can I help you?"
Yes, please. Could you tell me where the rice is?
"Sure, it's in aisle number 3 next to the pasta."
Thank you. And where can I find the bread?
"The bread is at the back, near the bakery section."
Perfect. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Great job, Leo. That sounded natural.
Thanks, Anna. I'm starting to feel like a real customer.
That's the idea. Now, let's talk about asking for specific products.
Okay.
You can say, "I'm looking for brown rice. Do you have whole wheat bread? I need a dozen eggs."
A dozen means 12, right?
Exactly. A dozen is 12. You can also say half a dozen for 6.
Oh, I like that. I always hear it in movies.
Yes, it's very common. Let's practice.
Okay.
You want to buy 12 eggs. What do you say?
I need a dozen eggs.
Perfect. Now you only want 6.
I need half a dozen eggs.
Excellent pronunciation. Okay, Leo. Now you have everything in your cart. What's next?
I go to the checkout.
Exactly. At the checkout, you pay for your groceries.
I always get nervous when I talk to the cashier in English.
Don't worry. It's easier than it seems. Let's practice what the cashier might say. And the cashier could say, "Hi, how are you today? Did you find everything okay? Do you need a bag? Do you have a loyalty card?"
Oh, yes, I always hear, do you have a loyalty card?
Right. It means a customer card that gives you points or discounts.
Okay. And what can I answer to, did you find everything okay?
You can say, "Yes, thank you. I found everything I needed." Or, "Not really. I couldn't find the bread."
Oh, nice. That's polite.
Exactly. Being polite always helps. Let's do a real checkout conversation. Ready?
Ready?
Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thanks. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, I did, thank you.
Perfect. Do you have a loyalty card?
No, I don't.
No problem. Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
That will be $24.60.
Okay. I'll pay by card.
Sure, you can tap or insert your card.
Done.
Great. Here's a receipt. Have a nice day.
You too. Thank you.
That was perfect, Leo.
Thanks, Anna. I think I can really survive in an English-speaking supermarket now.
Yes, you can. Let's go over some important phrases from this part. Repeat after me. "Excuse me, where's the rice?"
Excuse me,
Where's the rice?
Do you have whole wheat bread?
Do you have whole wheat bread?
I need a dozen eggs.
I need a dozen eggs.
Did you find everything okay?
Did you find everything okay?
I'll pay by card.
I'll pay by card.
Excellent. You sound more fluent every time we practice.
Thank you, teacher.
Before we finish this part, let's learn some extra vocabulary for checkout and payment.
Great idea.
Here are some words you'll hear often. Cash, paper money or coins. Receipt, the paper that shows what you bought. Change, the money you get back if you pay with cash. Self-checkout, the machines where you scan and pay by yourself.
Oh, yes. I've seen self-checkout in many places.
Exactly. You can say, I'll use the self-checkout.
Okay, Anna, this is getting really useful. What will we learn in the last part?
In the next and final part, we'll talk about small talk at the supermarket, friendly conversation while shopping or waiting in line.
Oh, I love that. I always want to sound friendly, but I don't know what to say.
Don't worry, Leo, we'll fix that. Now let's make your shopping experience even better. We'll practice small talk, short, friendly conversations at the supermarket.
Oh, yes, I want that. I never know what to say when I'm waiting in line or talking to the cashier.
Perfect. Let's fix that right now. Small talk is simple. You can talk about the weather, the day, or your plans.
So like, how are you? Or, nice weather today.
Exactly. Those are perfect examples. Let's practice. I'll be the cashier, and you'll be the customer again. Ready?
Ready.
Hi, how's your day going?
Pretty good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good. Just a little busy today.
Yeah, it's a busy time. Everyone is shopping.
That's true. Are you ready for the weekend?
Yes, I can't wait to relax.
That was perfect.
Thank you. I like the question, are you ready for the weekend? It sounds very natural.
Yes, it's something people say a lot on Fridays or Saturdays. You can also say things like, how's your day so far? Are you almost done shopping? Looks like it's going to rain today. Wow, it's busy in here.
Oh, I've heard it's busy in here before.
Yes, it's a very natural comment when the supermarket is crowded. Let's do another small talk example. This time, I'll be a friendly shopper next to you in line.
Okay, let's go.
Hi there. Long line today, huh?
Yeah, really long. I guess everyone is shopping after work.
True. I just came to buy some milk, but I picked up too many things.
That always happens to me too.
It's impossible to buy only one thing here.
Exactly. Supermarkets are dangerous for my wallet.
Great job, Leo. That was a perfect friendly chat.
Thanks. It's fun when I have the right words.
That's the point. Small talk helps you sound natural and polite.
I like that. I think people will be friendlier if I talk like this.
Absolutely. Even a simple, hi, how are you, can make someone smile. Now, let's move to cultural tips for shopping in English-speaking countries.
Oh, nice. I love culture tips.
Tip number 1, always greet politely. Say hi or hello when you meet the cashier.
Easy. What about when I leave?
You can say thank you, have a nice day, or take care.
That's simple and friendly.
Tip number 2, say please and thank you often. For example, can I have a bag, please?
Yes, I notice people in English always say please.
Exactly. It's very polite and makes you sound kind. Tip number 3, in self-checkout areas, don't be afraid to ask for help.
Oh, I always get nervous with those machines.
Me too sometimes. You can say, excuse me, can you help me with this?
Okay, that's easy to remember.
Tip number 4, bring your own bag if you can. In many places, bags cost extra.
Yes, that's true. I saw that in London.
Exactly. You can say, I have my own bag, or no bag, thank you. Tip number 5, be patient and kind. Sometimes the line is long or a product is missing.
Yeah, I've seen people get angry.
It's better to stay calm and polite. You can say, no problem, I'll wait, or that's okay, thank you.
That sounds nice. I want to sound polite like that.
You're already doing great, Leo.
Okay, let's do a complete conversation from entering the supermarket to leaving.
Wow, okay, I'm ready.
I'll guide you. Let's go. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good, thanks. Just doing some shopping.
Nice. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, I did. I just couldn't find the yogurt, but that's fine.
Oh, yogurt is in aisle 7 near the milk.
Great, I'll check it next time.
Would you like a bag today?
No, thank you. I have my own bag.
Perfect. Your total is $18.20.
Okay, I'll pay by card.
Great, you can tap your card here.
Done.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too? Bye.
That was excellent. You covered everything. Greetings, small talk, questions, and polite answers.
Thanks, Anna. I feel ready to shop anywhere in English now.
That's what I love to hear. Let's review the key phrases from today's lesson. Repeat after me.
Okay.
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Excuse me, where can I find the bread?
Do you have a loyalty card?
Do you have a loyalty card?
I'll pay by cash.
I'll pay by cash.
Would you like a bag?
Would you like a bag?
Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.
Great. Now let's review small talk phrases.
Okay.
How's your day going?
How's your day going?
Are you ready for the weekend?
Are you ready for the weekend?
Long line today, huh?
Long line today, huh?
It's busy in here.
It's busy in here.
Excellent pronunciation, Leo.
Thank you, Anna. I practiced a lot.
I can tell. Now you can shop, talk, and sound confident in any supermarket.
That's awesome. I'll practice these sentences next time I go shopping.
Perfect idea. The more you practice, the easier it gets. So that's all for today's episode at the supermarket. Daily English phrases for shopping.
This was really fun and useful. Thank you, Anna.
You're very welcome. Remember to listen again, repeat the sentences, and even act them out at home.
Yes, I'll do that.
Thank you all for listening to English Lab with Anna and Leo.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing simple English every day.
See you next time, maybe at the supermarket.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.